Well, I've lost count of how many days it is, but Mike's back and we're working on his wiring for his hot water heater. So we're going to be expanding this little panel here. There was one switch here before. Behind here, there's just a little bit of space to work with, and so we've made a cardboard template here for what the layout of the gauge cluster is going to be. Gauge and switch cluster. All right, so we made a cardboard grid to lay out the switches and lights on. There's an existing hole there, so he's lined it up there, and we've got the spacing all laid out, and we're going to go ahead and make punch marks. You got it horizontal?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes. Looks horizontal to me. This board is at an angle from the wall, so it doesn't look like it to you. Okay, so you just push this?
Push hard, yep. It might just go right through that paneling.
Oh, shit.
Is it going right through the paneling?
No.
Okay.
It goes push and click. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so we're making marks where we need to drill holes. So the switches will be in the middle, and the lights will be above and below for on and active or error. So we should have.
This one should be. So yeah, so it's not the center hole.
Not the center, right?
Yeah. So there'll be 12-volt pump, propane gas in on, gas error, and the gas propane turn it on and off. And here is just going to be the 110 from the water heater on and operating. I don't see the holes.
Well, let's get a light on here. Oh, carefully don't chowder that out too much. You'll be looking at that.
Oh gosh, because that's my outside trim. But there's an on-off.
Yeah, there's a little plate
on-off
that goes
plate
over.
that goes right here. Well, we need a voltmeter so we know what the orientation is. Yeah, so that'll look good.
Oh, does your little plate stick up into where your light's going to be?
No, light's way up there.
Okay.
Okay.
So we transferred the punches onto the wood, and Mike's going to drill all the holes now for the lights and switches. Hold on a minute. Is this thicker down here? There was an awful lot of drilling there.
Yeah. Same.
I think you have clearance there. I see there's some thick wood behind here. I just want to make sure we didn't end up going through that. Just barely. Stick your hand up in there and make sure you're happy with where that ended up.
Well,
the bottom one.
Oh.
It's close, huh?
Oh, I got a whole finger's width. There's my second finger.
Okay.
And that one, that one split the wood. That's why it went so fast.
Oh, let's put the back out?
Yeah. Okay. I like the little point.
Mike's getting them wired up. They're looking good. We got the chrome retro thing going. Look really nice.
Wiring up my first light. Anything.
Can you pull them out and stuff the wire through the hole and crimp it out here and then stuff it back in the hole?
Nope.
You can't? Because the crimps are too big or something?
No, I already crimped the grounds.
Oh. Mike finished his snazzy retro status lights here. Go ahead and tell us.
Yeah, so this is the pump. 12-volt pump on, and that's when the green tells us when the pump is running. In the middle is a white one for when the 110 hot water is on, and this is when the 110 hot water element is going. And this is the propane hot water switch that turns it on
For 12 volts.
for 12 volts, and the error light for if it doesn't ignite.
Okay, let's turn everything on.
So let's turn on hot. There's my
Well, that's
pump.
bright.
No, oh, it is bright, but here, I'm going to run the sink real quick. Watch.
Didn't even trigger the pump.
Hold on.
There you go.
Pump's running, shut off the sink, and the light goes off. All
Nice,
right.
yeah, the pump had to build pressure back up.
All right, so
Yeah, you can't even hear the pump, so that's nice to have that
Yeah.
status, right?
I'm hard of hearing anyway. All right.
Okay,
so
now you're going to do the gas or the 110?
I'm going to do the 110. I'm going to flip on the breaker because
Okay.
that's how my breaker is. I have a special breaker for it.
Circuit breaker.
I'm going to flip it on, and
Okay, so now it's saying it has 110 power and the element is on.
the element's on because the water's cold.
Okay,
Yep.
now let's give it some propane boost too.
Oh, we want to add the propane?
Yeah, you can go ahead and do that.
I can do that. So we'll turn on propane.
Yep.
It's on.
Oh, and then the error light is on.
Yeah, until it ignites. It's trying to ignite.
And as soon as it senses flame, that light should go out. Yep.
It's running.
That's
there
lit.
it goes.
Yeah, I heard it.
Flame is out. Yep, nice.
Cool, man. Well, now we need to put some labels on those, I think, huh?
Oh yeah, I need a label maker.
We have one. We can make labels.
All right, cool.